Click on the link below to get price. The GeneralAire 75 Pint Crawlspace or Basement Whole House Dehumidifier is a standout solution for homeowners looking to combat dampness in their basements or crawlspaces effectively. This unit is designed to remove up to 75 pints of moisture from the air daily, making it ideal for larger spaces prone to humidity issues. One of the most impressive features is the integrated Wi-Fi capability, allowing users to monitor and control the dehumidifier remotely through a smartphone app. This is particularly useful for those who may not frequent their basements or crawlspaces regularly. The app provides real-time humidity levels and allows you to adjust settings without having to physically check the unit, ensuring your home remains comfortable and free from excess moisture. The touchscreen interface is another highlight, providing an intuitive way to navigate settings and monitor performance. The display is bright and easy to read, which is particularly helpful in dimly lit basements. The unit also boasts a continuous drainage option, meaning you can connect it directly to a drain for hassle-free operation, eliminating the need to empty a water bucket manually. In terms of energy efficiency, the GeneralAire 75 Pint operates quietly and efficiently, adhering to Energy Star standards. This not only helps in reducing energy bills but also ensures a quieter environment, which is especially beneficial for homes with living spaces adjacent to the basement. Installation is straightforward, and with its durable design, it is built to withstand the rigors of a basement environment. The unit's compact size also allows for flexible placement, whether mounted on a wall or positioned on the floor. Overall, the GeneralAire 75 Pint Dehumidifier is a robust solution for humidity control. Its combination of smart technology, efficient performance, and user-friendly features makes it an excellent investment for maintaining a dry, healthy home. Homeowners facing moisture challenges will find this unit to be an essential addition to their household maintenance toolkit.